Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to Obetodun Cooks. Today we'll be making soya meal. This meal, this drink, whatever you want to call it, is amazing. Either you're a lover of soya or not, you're going to love this. I learned this recipe from a YouTuber. The link will be down in the description box. So the first step is to soak the soya beans overnight. This is one of those things that you eat and the memory lingers forever. Like, I have some memories of what I ate when I was younger, and I just remember the aroma, the flavor, the taste, and I sometimes don't remember what exactly it is. But you just know that that thing lingers. You always remember the taste. So here we are picking the bad beans. This has been soaked overnight and is swollen. We are able to see the beans that are spoiled, and we pick them out. Then we begin to scrub to peel the beans. After removing as many peels as we can, we boil the beans for not more than 15 minutes. After boiling for 15 minutes, remove from fire, then strain and wash with cold water. Then after boiling, there's the leftover beans that the peels are yet to be removed will come off easily, so we scrub a little bit more and then we start to process. It looks so good and it tastes even better. So yummy. Creamy deliciousness. I hope you have enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Do well to try this out and let me know in the comment section how you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and loved ones. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.